Hello everyone and welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable your fingerprint on your MacBook. So it's very simple, not that hard. So the first step here is to go to System Settings, and if you didn't find her here, we can simply search for it. So we need just to scroll down a little bit to find this Touch ID and password. And as you can see here, I already have fingerprint, so we just click on add. So click just type your password, unlock, and here just put your finger where it should be put in. This might be take time. So here our Touch ID is ready. Just click on done, and you can see here our fingerprint is added successfully. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends.